今天是2025年6月2号，现在我是 Perfect English 英语培训的 Lesson A 的第2遍朗读。这是一篇非常有名的英文诗，它的名字叫 Raven， 它的作者是 Edgar Allan Poe。在网上有很多视频，然后是模仿他的，正在朗读他的这一首诗。我现在作为一个中国的学生，作为一个培训教材，我也尝试一下朗读这一首诗。然后今天是第2次朗读记录。现在开始。The Raven by Edgar Allan Poe. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered, weak and weary, over many a quaint and curious volume of forgotten lore, while I nodded, nearly napping, suddenly there came a tapping, as of someone gently rapping at my trembled door. This some visitor, I muttered, tapping at my trembled door. Only this and nothing more. Presently, my soul grew stronger, hesitating then no longer. Sir, said I, O madam, truly your forgiveness I implore. But the fact is, I was napping, and so gently you came rapping, and so faintly you came tapping at my trembled door. Oh, I scarce was sure I heard you. Here I opened wide the door. Darkness there and nothing more.